Hello everyone, welcome to the digital platform of Manzil. So I am Tamanna and today I have come up with some of the important vocabulary words. The first word of today is aspirations, which is a noun. The meaning of aspirations is a hope or ambition of achieving something. The meaning in Hindi is akanksha. The second word is reiterated, which is a verb which means to say something again, once or several times, which means bar dohrana. The next word is explicitly, which is an adjective which means in a way that is clear and exact, which means spashtya. Next word is ethnic, which is an adjective which means relating to a particular race of people. Next word is envisaged, which means to consider as a possibility, which means parikalpit. Next word is rollback, which is a noun which means an occasion when the influence of particular laws, rules, etc. is reduced. The meaning in Hindi is vapis lena. Next word is keen. Keen is an adjective and the meaning of this word is having or showing eagerness or enthusiasm, which means ichuk or utsahi. Next word is deferment, which is a noun which means the act of delaying or postponing, which means vilamban. किसी चीज को late करना means deferment. Next word is incessant, which is an adjective which means continuous, eternal, perpetual, uninterrupted, interminable, and in Hindi the meaning of this word is anvarat or nirantar. Next word is rant, which is a noun which means the extensively talk or speech about a given topic. Next word is warmongering, which is a noun. The meaning of this word is the act of encouraging a country to go to war or of threatening violence against another country, which means युद्ध को उकसावा देना. Next word is vilification, which is a noun which means a false or malicious statement, which means mithyapvad. Next word is Islamophobia, which is a noun which means dislike of a prejudice against Islam or Muslims, especially as a political force. Next word is diatribe, which is a noun which means a forceful and a bitter verbal attack against someone or something, which means abhyogatmak bhashan. Next word is contravenes, which is a verb and the meaning of this word is to not obey a rule or law or to not do what you promised, which means ulanghan karna. Next word is accusations, which is a noun which means a charge or claim that someone has done something illegal or wrong, which means dosharopan or abhiyog. And the next word is decisive, which is an adjective which means settling an issue, producing a definite result, which means nirnayak. Next word is, and the last word of today is barbs, which is a noun which means an offensive remark or action. The meaning of barbs is an offensive remark or action. So hope so you have learned something new today. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you so much.